Welcome back, guys, to Black Square Garage. So today we're going to take care of this little Volkswagen Polo. It has some pretty nasty rust spots. I'm going to show you now. Yeah, it's kind of screwed. I most likely will have to do a little bit of welding, and this here thing could be a little bit easier. So I'm gonna start by removing the rear bumper. After I remove it, I will easily clean this spot thoroughly behind this edge, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay guys, I've got the rear bumper removed, but now I'm thinking that I also need to remove this bracket here, because else I'm not getting any space up here. So I'm 100% positive this thing has to go. So now that I've got the bracket removed, I can access the rusted edge. I will start by cleaning off the old rust. I've jacked up the car to remove the inner dust cover. This will give me more room to work on the rust damaged areas. This is an anti-rust epoxy. It's applied in 2 to 3 coats when the metal is cleaned. There's a lot of work to be done in this spot. I'll start by grinding down to the bare metal and see how much of the metal I need to cut out. I'll mark up a line and start cutting the metal. I'm going to measure the length of the side part that I need, cut it out and weld it. The part needs to be bended slightly. After the side piece was welded, I will now make a template for the front sill part. Same thing was done for the bottom part of the sill. The side was welded shut. As before, some anti-rust epoxy was applied. After all the cutting, grinding and welding work was done, I've applied some welding seam sealant. After all of the prep work was done, I applied some primer to better see where I should put in the filler. Filler is applied, sanded and then again primer is sprayed. I repeat this process 2 times to make the surface more smoother. Once both surfaces were smooth and sanded, I've started painting. I don't have a spray gun, so my paint is mashed and mixed into a spray can. 3 coats of paint are applied and 2 coats of clear lacquer. To connect the old paint to the new, I sanded the lacquer with a smooth grit sandpaper and polished the painted pieces. After assembling the car, I was pretty happy with the results, and so did the owner. If you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Until next time.